All right, guys, we got Sam, aka the Hangar, designer of the Simple Stick, of course, and he is going to be flying my Simple Stick. And this is one of my favorite planes on the channel, as you know, so super excited. Right on up in there, pretty easy.
Look at Jenna's artwork. The sky. Does it fly?
Only thing is, remember the elevators
So what you want to do is take it up
a little sketchy sometimes.
high. Your weight below the ground. Watch Colin's stick go explain it. You got left, right, up, down. That's it. Left, down, left, right. Pull back, go up. Pull back, go up.
Oh, that was close.
How's it flying?
I love it. It's been too long since I've flown this. I've flown one.
Throttle is left stick down.
Forgot how nice they fly.
Yeah, it's so smooth. One of my favorite planes in the fleet for sure.
As long as you keep power in, you can pretty much fly yourself.
Look at that hover.
I try a little lower now.
Does it have the power to do that?
What you want to do is pick it up higher than that, bring it into the wind, and pass it over to Jenna and help her. Pretty much half arm. The left stick is really not much fun. Really the right stick. Pull back to go up. Don, you need to take it up way, way higher.
Flying so solid.
Take off right to left.
The wind is full. Yeah, you definitely can go a lot slower.
Low pass, left to right.
That's when the elevator says nope, and you just like awesome. Woo.
I could hear it and I was like, where is that?
You're like, where's that begin? That's awesome. That is awesome.
I don't really want to get lower inverted with all that wind.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're bouncing all over the place like that. Yeah.
Battery.
Yep. You're probably pretty close to the.
Close? All right.
You could do a circle or whatever.
Alright, I'll bring it around.
I don't know. My timer in there is generic.
Alright, landing right to left.
Dude, nice flying. Nice flying.
Thank you.
Awesome plane.